was at the Dollar Tree quite a while ago, and I found all this fabric. And I bought all the colors, loved them. I had a bed, tore it apart, pulled off the fabric, and then I didn't know quite what I was going to do to make it a boy's bed, but I took some balsa wood and I added a piece of wood on each side, sanded it down, and primed it white. And then I went ahead and I made 2 little drawers out of balsa wood, did a little framing on them, 2 little beads, and I put them on both sides so there would be drawers underneath the bed. I thought that was boyish, and I primed it. And then I went ahead and I painted it gray. I think this was granite gray. I don't really remember. And then I went ahead and I used the template off of the old bedding that came with the bed. And this is how it came out. It looks like a little boy's bed. But I wasn't done. I needed some pillows. So I went ahead and I took the other color fabrics and I cut them, measured and cut them. And then you can see that I went ahead with some fabric glue and glued just the one side. Went ahead and pressed them over, and then went ahead and pushed down on the glue. And I always let everything dry overnight. And then I folded them right ways, and they were done. I stuffed them with some cotton, and then I needed something on them. So I took some magic markers and some other fabrics that I had, and I made little sports designs because I thought that was perfect. I lined them in some thin twine, and then this is how they came out. The colors are so good. And here's how it looks. It's really simple. I think the little drawers on the bottom really make it look like a boy's bed. The colors are great. And the little baseballs and soccer and football, basketball, and all these little toys, they're from Temu.